Hi there! We will learn how to create the Fractal Glass Shader in Webflow. To achieve that, we need to add a custom element. For our custom element, we need to set its tag to be canvas, since we are going to use a shader. Now, we need to set its position to be fixed. And also for height, set its value to 100 VH, and for width, set its value to 100 VW. Give it a custom class name like canvas, or we can use ID here. For the nav bar, we add a div block and also set its position to be fixed and set its z-index to be a high number like 10. Then we add two texts. One will be used for logo, and one will be used for the nav bar link, or a contact button. Then we have the text overlay, which is a div block. This div has full width and full height. Also, set its height to be 100 VH. The overlay div block has padding and contain a big text, which is going to be the project info or whatever you think it must be. For our shader, you need to use a custom code which creates the required shader. You need to have an element with class name of canvas. Remember, we added a custom element which was a canvas. Then paste this code inside your site settings to create this shader for you. Beside that, remember we have an image which is going to be underneath the fractal glass. You need to upload the image as asset and then copy its link. Then replace the image URL with the link you have copied. You can grab the code from the URL in details of my YouTube video. The code is free and ready to use.